Simone Weil, 1909-1943, was a French philosopher, mystic, and political activist whose intellectual and spiritual work remains influential. A woman of profound thought and sensitivity, Weil's quote, "Attention is the rarest and purest form of generosity," encapsulates her unique philosophical outlook. For Weil, attention was more than a mere cognitive function. It was a deeply moral act. To truly pay attention to something, she believed, was to give a part of oneself to another, whether that be to another person, an idea, or the world itself. This concept of attention as generosity is woven throughout her work, which sought to bridge the gap between human suffering and social justice. Weil's philosophy drew on her personal experiences, including her involvement in the labor movement and her time spent in France during World War II, where she worked with the oppressed and faced the brutalities of war. Weil's radical thoughts about attention were influenced by her spirituality, which blended elements of Christianity and Eastern philosophy, and her commitment to the idea of affliction, the spiritual and moral transformation that occurs when one is confronted with suffering. In her short life, Weil wrote extensively on topics such as social justice, mysticism, and the nature of attention, and she is often recognized for her contributions to existentialism and social theory. Her works, including Gravity and Grace, 1947, and The Need for Roots, 1949, challenge conventional wisdom about morality, politics, and the human condition. Despite her relatively brief life, Weil's ideas continue to inspire philosophers, spiritual seekers, and social activists, and her profound understanding of the human spirit remains a central pillar of 20th century thought.